had issues where we put drain punch in a matter of counting to 10, it goes down.
Wow.
And it's a good product. It's very cost effective versus calling a plumber and having a big bill. You can use that, and 99.9% of the time it works and it doesn't reclog. So it cleans the pipe out and it does what it says it does.
And what kind of clogs have you been using it on?
A lot of tub clogs, a lot of backups in the sink that go to mains. So a lot of clogs that you would typically have to call the plumber, you don't need it with drain punch. It does its job. It speaks for itself.
Thank you, David. What'd you say, Quan?
Had this bag clogged and thought I was gonna have to call the plumbers. I used the shop vac to get all the water out and let the drain punch sit for about 2 hours, came back, it's clear.
Gone.
Gone, punched it right out.
Sometimes it works when you don't even think it will.
Yes, it do.
Thank you. Two of the happiest drain punch plumbers in town. What do you guys think?
Good.
Best in the world.
Best in the world.
Best.
They unclogged them drains.
Yeah.
Where do y'all use it?
Pardon me?
What types of drains do y'all use it on?
Kitchen sink, and
tub,
bathroom
and bath
tub,
sinks.
everything except the toilet.
Have you tried it on a toilet?
No, I haven't, but I will.
You will. As long as it's not a toy, a comb, or a phone, it'll get rid of it.
Here you go.
Y'all take care.
Thank you.
Too.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna make this short and sweet as possible because I got a lot more work to do. I have 5 clogged drains. I snaked them, didn't clear them out. I grabbed a bottle of drain punch, poured it down into my main drain clean out, pushed the snake in there, and watched the water run straight down. 5 drains.
Did it make that noise you say?
Gurgle, gurgle.
Now on those mainline stoppages, would you normally have had to call the plumber?
Yeah, normally once we snake them out and we can't get it to clear, we call. But I had a bright idea to pour some of this down the drain, and it worked better. It cost a lot less.
And how long have you been using drain punch?
About 2.5 years now.
Your favorite product?
Definitely my favorite product for clearing drains out.
Thank you, Terrence.
You're welcome, my man.
It not only works in old dilapidated apartments, but it also works in big new ones. Thank you. What were you telling me a minute ago about when you use it and how it's mattered around here?
Oh yeah, I don't have no problems with no drains anymore. Actually, I did a unit, put some in it, went for about 3 days, went back and checked the pipe. The pipe was crystal clear white, just nothing in it. Not even a lady's residue or nothing.
Wow.
Some good stuff.
All right, what happened yesterday or the day before? Good.
I had a 4th floor condensate backup. Main drain was clogged. Poured a little bit of drain punch in and boom, cleared everything up.
Now, did you pour the drain punch in the main drain or in the condensate at the top?
I poured it through the condensate and it went into the main line.
So it worked all the way down?
Yes, sir.
And how long did that take, and did you need more than one dose?
About 20 minutes. I poured a couple ounces at a time. And did that for 4 times and added a little bit more progressively. And then the drain opened up.
What would you say would have been the remedy if you didn't have the drain punch?
Going to the shop, grabbing a sewer snake, taking hours out of my day.
So you did this with no tools and no fuss?
No tools, no fuss.
Would you recommend people give it a try?
Drain punch is the best drain cleaner I've ever used.
Thank you so much.